Hello friends, Wel- welcome to my channel Trade Learning. This video I prepare only for learning and educational purpose. Before I show my watch list, let me explain how do I enter into the trade and how do I keep my SL. First thing is I do not trade before 9:20 whatever level it is. Once 5-minute candle breaks my level and body closes above the level for up move, in that case I will enter into the trade if next 5-minute candle crosses last candle body high, and I will keep my SL just below the low of previous candle. Once price starts moving in my direction, then I also will start trailing my SL. So this is how I will enter and how I will keep my SL in the trade. Suppose from my watch list, if no one breaks the level, then I will not enter into the trade. I will keep waiting and I will not enter before the levels. So now let's go and see the watch list of my watch list for 21st September 2020. So first in my watch list is Siemens I have selected because from last 3 days it is consolidating between 1236 to 1266. So now I feel if it breaks 1268 in the upper side, then it can give move up to around 10-15 rupees, and if it breaks 1236, then first support it can take at around 1227, and if it breaks 1227 also, then it may test 1213 also, but it is not sure that it will happen tomorrow itself. So once the trade moves in your direction, keep trailing your SL. The second in my watch list is Bharat Forge. Bharat Forge was also consolidating from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from last 5 days, and in last session on Friday it was consolidating in a very narrow range between 477 and 487. So now I feel if it breaks 487, then it can give move of 2-3 rupees on the upper side, and if it breaks 477, then again it can give 2-3 rupees in the lower side. Third in my selection is Hexaware. Hexaware also was trending in a range from 456 to 461. So now I feel if it breaks 462, then again then Hexaware should give 2-3 rupees in the upper side, and if it breaks 456, then again it will give 2-3 rupees in the lower side. Other than this, I also have selected Balkrishna Industries. Balkrishna, I feel if it breaks this barrier of 1416, then it can give a fast movement towards up. I am not in sell side in Balkrishna, only in buy side. PEL also, I feel if from last 3 days it is taking support at 1340. So now I feel if it breaks 1340, then again it may test around first 1327, and then it may come in this range of 1315. GIL also, I feel if it breaks 219, then it may come up to 215.16. GIL I have selected for sell side. Adani Entertainment also, this is consolidating in this range is bigger for Adani Entertainment, but I will request all to keep watching this script for the upper side. If it breaks this consolidation, then in a day or two it will give very fast movement. So that's my watch list for tomorrow. If you have any question about my strategy or a stock selection, please write that in comment section and I will get back to you. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my work, then please appreciate it by hitting like button. Thank you.